We're gonna go through the demonstration over here. Just flip some buttons around. That's the CarPlay, really responsive. Move it around. Maps, nice. So this is the second home screen. Everybody want to know about the Maestro. So we get to the Maestro, click that. All right, actually get out of here. You guys need to excuse me because the first time I'm using this crap. I mean, this high-end radio. All right, so then car features. Showing the doors open. Shows you the voltage on the battery, the PSI on the tires. Let's go to the gauges. Give it some gas. Yeah, it works really good. Get out of the screen over here. HD radio, iPad, Apple CarPlay. Let's try the reverse. Go ahead, give it a reverse. It's really high quality. So that we retain the factory camera with the aftermarket head unit. That's why it's a little bit blurry. Aftermarket camera would be better, but it still looks really nice. I'll go back and park.
Mr. Customer, how you like it? All right.
I just gotta do some shit. I just gotta play around with it.
Yeah, so you go, there's a shitload of stuff on the settings, just like the old interface, like the audio, and play with your music. And
Wi-Fi.
yeah, you have Wi-Fi in the car too as well. And back to the CarPlay. You play music on your iPod?
No. Oh, not on Apple.
No, on Apple. And here's the Spotify. Oh yeah, it's just volume. Now this unit is actually adjustable. You could hold the screen here and you could just move it backwards. You could bring it forward. Really nice, not like the Alpine. So it's really nice. All right, don't leave comments. You know, we don't care for your comments. You like it, you don't like it. That's your issue. If you could afford it, buy it. If you can afford it, don't hate on it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching AMS TV. AMS TV.
AMS TV.